Morning. How you doing? We're in Garve. Well, we're just outside Garve actually. We're at Rogie Falls. We've just stopped and we're just heading up the trail to hopefully see some salmon leaping in out of the river here, the Blackwater River at Rogie Falls. So we arrived last night into Garve, just outside, and we're staying in this area today and exploring the local area. So having to keep a look down because we're walking up a trail with a lot of rocks in it and I don't want to fall over. So the falls are somewhere down there. I can hear them but not see them at the moment. Almost there. I'm going to turn the camera off now because I need both hands. Got a slippery rock to traverse. popped into Dingwall because we run out of clothes. Pedestrian area. There seems to be a lot of cars in the pedestrian area. Yeah. Before coming to Dingwall, the only thing I knew about Dingwall was the Camera Club. I used to be in the Rushden District Photography Club, and we used to run a BPE, a British Photographic Exhibition, which was a national exhibition, yearly exhibition, and Dingwall were part of the same exhibition circuit, and yeah, so I just discovered where they meet, where their Camera Club is. It's just basically right behind me in the room above. So, well, strange quirks. I'm getting everyone looking at me as if I'm some kind of weirdo. Well, probably am some kind of weirdo, wandering around with a camera and pointing at me. Hey ho. Bridge on the Blackwater River, which is tumbling down, and I'm going to pop the drone up and get some drone footage, hopefully, if all goes well, because it's nice and still and it's stopped raining, so it's spitting now and again. So we'll see if we can get some footage on the drone. There you go. Taking a wander around the property that we're staying on at the moment, and it's gorgeous weather here. It's just the end of the evening, nice sunny and blue sky, and yeah, so we'll just take you for a little bit of a tour, really, see what's what. So this is the front garden. staying, where those double doors are, there's a car parked on the left hand side as you're looking at it, and those double doors with the little table and chairs, that's our area there.